epic, epic snowstorm. This is insanity. Can't even look outside our window. Never seen anything like it. Well, Michael, it's time for you to get shoveling. It's time for you to get shoveling. Oh my God. What do you think, buddy? You gonna be shoveling?
No.
Let's have a look at the deck. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. And it's still snowing.
It's gonna snow until midnight.
Oh my God. All the way up to the windows everywhere. Wow. Get shoveling, buddy. Open the door. Open the door for a sec. Wow. Wow, never seen that much snow.
Okay, Daddy.
It's crazy.
Am I supposed to shovel this somehow?
Look at that. Crazy.